Welcome to the Passive Installer video series. In this video, we will be covering how to install wired passive thermostats. In order to install the wired passive thermostat, we recommend using SP24 speaker cable. If you are replacing an existing thermostat, you may be able to use the existing cable. We recommend having a Wago screwdriver to hand for push-fit connections. Each thermostat should be placed in a location that best reflects the temperature experienced by the householder. Ensure that the thermostat is installed at a convenient height for the householder, positioned away from radiators, drafts, or direct sunlight, and is not covered up by curtains or furniture. They also need to be placed in appropriate locations for any necessary cabling. It's important that the thermostat is not installed in a room with active thermostatic radiator valves, or TRVs. The Passive Smart Thermostat learns the thermal behavior of the home, and this learning should not be disrupted by other controls. Firstly, fit the wall bracket. The wall bracket should be attached to a one-gang mattress box or an area with a small recess available to accommodate the device profile. The bracket can be wired directly into existing thermostat wiring or using copper 24-strand speaker cable. Fit the wires as shown. You can now fit the thermostat by hooking the top edge on the wall bracket and then pressing the bottom edge of the thermostat towards the wall until it clips into place, as shown. Repeat the process for the second thermostat if installing on a two-zone system. For a single-zone system, the thermostat can be wired directly into the programmer using the last connector in the wiring center. For a two-zone system, each thermostat can be directly wired into the programmer, or as a single cable run from the programmer to each thermostat in turn. The programmer provides a 24-volt power supply to the wired thermostats. The passive thermostat is now installed. To find out more about the Passive Smart Thermostat, visit our website at passiveuk.com. Passive, the smart way to control your heat pump.